In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a funnel on Kit. To begin, log into your Kit account and look at the main navigation. You will start by creating the opt-in page where people join your list. Go to Grow, then select Landing Pages and Forms. This is the section where Kit stores the pages and forms that collect new subscribers. From here, click Create New, choose Landing Page, and then select a template. Pick a layout that fits your offer, because the template controls the structure and style of the page. After you select it, take a moment to make sure the page is clearly focused on one action, subscribing. A simple headline and a clear description of what they will receive helps keep conversions high. Next, you will create the emails that subscribers will receive after they sign up. Go to Send, then Sequences, and click New Sequence. Think of a sequence as your follow-up series. Inside the sequence editor, write the emails you want to send. Keep each email focused on a single idea, and make sure the first email delivers what you promised on the landing page. As you finish each email, switch it from draft to published. This is important because unpublished emails will not send when the automation runs. Once your landing page and sequence are ready, you will connect them with an automation. Go to Automate, then Visual Automations. Click New Automation and choose Start from Scratch. For the trigger, select Joins a Form, then choose the landing page you created. This tells Kit to start the funnel the moment someone submits that landing page form. Now you will add the action that delivers your email series. Click the plus icon on the automation canvas. Choose Action, then Email Sequence, and select the sequence you just built. This step is the core of the funnel because it links the sign-up event to the follow-up emails. Finally, when everything looks correct, toggle the automation switch to Live. At that point, new subscribers who join through your landing page will automatically enter your sequence and receive the published emails on schedule. That covers everything you need to know.